Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to be playing Animal Revolt again, where these raptors have had an update. Also the carnotaurus, and the carnotaurus has also had a new animation, and also I think the raptors. And there's also the allosaurus that also has them. So let's start this. So yeah, that's the new animation. See? The one where you just slammed the raptor. Okay, is he gonna do it again? Oh no, he didn't. Oh, cause he didn't even kill him. Well, I think these raptors are probably gonna kill the carnotaurus though. Yeah. Carnotaurus is dead. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you the allosaur now. Let's spawn in an allosaur. And let's see how this goes. So yeah, that we're gonna get a thumbnail from all this. Oh, should that be the thumbnail? Nah, I think I need a more impressive part instead. Ooh, whoa, boy. Actually, I've already got the thumbnail because I tried to record last time, but it didn't work. Because something happened. And I'm not going to tell you what. Because I keep secrets. Okay. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Actually, should I get a new thumbnail? Hell yeah, actually. So, I have no idea how that allosaur managed to defeat these raptors. But, I'm just gonna have this guy fight off these, oh yeah. Fight off these raptors. So, let's start. Okay. Whoa! Knocked out. Just knocked down on the ground. Yeah, boy. Okay, I just want to have him just grab a raptor. Like for a long time. Let's say the last raptor. Because that raptor is gonna stay in his mouth for a long time. The last one. Ooh, it's gonna be, oh. That one is just on the tail. Whoa. Yeah, he's just trying to get him desperately. No, fall damage. Let's just try one boy. Oh man. And team 2. We'll just have one of them. Oh, okay. I think we need a little more. Yeah, that should work. One's fleeing. Oh yeah, they're all fleeing. You can't do that though. Can't do that. I like how the T-Rex is actually quite calm. I know, and I know he does look quite rage, but he does also look calm, also. Whoa! What was that? That. Didn't even get it yet, but you know what, Saja. Let's just have, like... Let's just have, Dromaeosaurus versus theropods. That's what we should have. So, sprinkling the raptors all around the place. Let's have, like, what? 140. Okay, that makes lag. Okay, well, no, not cryo. We want a carno. We're gonna have a one's team 2. little annoying. I hope the device doesn't... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just lower it, or else the device is just gonna crash again. And, it's gonna be annoying. So let's just have a few raptors. Like that. Now let's start. Okay, let's hope. Actually, you know what? In battle, it's too laggy. Let's clear team 1 and just have less raptors. Just like that much. So now it shouldn't crash. Although I feel like it will. Just very cautious. Okay. Oh, whoa, that was a glitch. Okay, that's a thumbnail for sure. Okay. Let's just add like a few more until we get a good one. Yeah, let's just have a few more until the T-Rex does a good one. Good attack. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm just gonna focus on the raptors. And this poor allosaurus. They won! Can't believe it. We're just so happy. Whoa! Finished. Let's see that again. I want to see one with its mouth open when it goes. Is that one dead? Yeah, surely. If I could just focus on one of the raptors, that would be awesome. So I could just have like now I'm planning for a new thumbnail. Let's just focus on the raptors. Let's see. These raptors. Which one? I'm just saying thumbnail so many times. Okay, I'll stop. Whoa. Actually, should I? Yeah, that would be amazing. Okay, let's just delete these carnivores. Oh no, not the T-Rex. Let's just clear team 1 for a sec. So we'll just get this T-Rex. And we'll just get some raptors. So let's just make that many raptors. Okay, let's start. See if so yeah guys, I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time on the next video. So I'll see you next time. So bye.